Thermodynamics is a science which tackles the relationship between heat, work, energy, and temperature. In this video, you will know how this thermodynamic takes place in every single things we do.
Convection happens in liquid and gas. When the heat reaches the water inside the pot, the warm particles goes up and the cold particles goes down, making a circular path. This process continues until all the water is hot. The temperature in the coffee transferred into the surroundings. That makes the coffee cold. It is the first law of thermodynamics. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It is the law of conservation of energy. When you put wet clothes under the sun, radiation happens. It's because radiation is an electromagnetic wave that travels across space and time. Energy from the sun touches the surface of the clothes, the reason why the clothes gets dry, because radiation doesn't need any physical contact for heat to transfer. In motorcycles, mostly it is used by the 4-stroke engine, the intake stroke, the compression stroke, the power stroke, and the exhaust stroke.
The intake stroke, in which the piston moves downward to the bottom. This increases the volume to allow a fuel mixture to enter the chamber. The compression stroke, the intake valve is closed and the piston moves up to the chamber to the top, compresses the fuel-air mixture. The power stroke, as the fuel reaches the end of its combustion, the piston reaches its highest point. A spark plug ignites the compressed air fuel mixture. The exhaust stroke, as the piston reaches the bottom, the exhaust valve opens and the piston moves back up, pushing the spent combustion gases out of the cylinder through the exhaust valve.
Good day everyone, today we will going to talk about refrigeration cycle. In a thermodynamics, one of the major applications is refrigeration, which is the transfer of heat from lower temperature region to high temperature region. And these are the two cyclic devices, refrigerator and heat pumps. Refrigerator and heat pumps are the cyclic devices that transfer heat from lower temperature and higher temperature region. And as you all know that refrigerator and heat pump is same device but they differ from its objective. The objective of heat pump is to maintain the heated space by absorbing the heat from lower temperature source such as the atmosphere. Whereas the refrigerator objective is to maintain the refrigerated space by absorbing heat into refrigerated space. And the cycles on which we operates are called refrigeration cycles.
how does the bike pump work? In the Boyle's law, it is stated that the pressure is inversely proportional to the volume. When the piston is forced down, it increases the pressure by compressing and lowering the volume. An attached flanger forces the accumulated air through the hose and into the inner tube of the tire. By repeating this process, we can fill the tire with air until it is firm enough for use.
A phase change is when a matter changes into a new state. These changes occurs when an energy is absorbed to the system. Just like how the ice cream melts even though the temperature in the surrounding is low. It happens when the temperature rises and makes the ice destabilized that causes for it to melt. But the higher the temperature, the faster it will melt.
Butane have a chemical formula of C4H10, which is the gas in cooking. It is a lighter fluid in cooking stove, a naturally occurring hydrocarbon gas which is widely used as a fuel. When the heat from the fire touches the pan, conduction happens, as conduction always takes place in solid. The heat from the fire travels to the cold particles of the pan until all pan is hot. That's the reason why when you touch the pan, you feel hot. It's because the hot particles coming from the pan touches the cold particles in your body.